So this will not be the Continental. I think it's safe to say. That's dead in the water. But we do have a Denny's has entered the chat. So I'm assuming Denny's is up on the second floor where Pink Taco was gonna be when it was gonna be Continental. So we shall find out. At least the good thing about Denny's is they're 24/7. Every hotel needs to have something similar. And sometimes you come in at 4 o'clock and you're hungry as hell and you don't have anything open or nothing that's, with a full menu. So that's a new requirement. Everyone should have a Denny's. Trying to look at they had some gambling specials, but I didn't understand them, so I can't really explain them. This is a William Hill Sportsbook. This is different. It looks better. It used to be just a lineup of old slot machines. Yeah, this looks better. $5 blackjack. And this, most likely, wow, this is really out of order. They got the pant sides on the panel. This is probably $5 when it's working. I don't know why it's not working tonight. They got tables in here now.
Coming down. Hey, bud.
$7 for a $3 sandwich. Wow. Well, at least you know it's a few weeks old.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Drink prices are not bad at all, really. $4.99. for Modelo 25 ounce. For some reason, Miller Lite is $2 more. It doesn't cost them $2 more. It costs them about 10 cents more. Ooh, they got wine. You know that's really good wine up there for $4.99. Something smells good. I wonder what that is. Oh, that's me. Alright, let's go see the big bad Denny's. Okay, the Denny's is in fact where I guessed it was going to be. It is in the spot where the pizza place was going to come in, but that didn't work out. And they got a magic show in here, delirious magic show. Remember when I opened that door and there was only 2 people watching the show? I'm not going to do that again, sorry. And here's America's Diner, 24/7. I think the waiter is the cashier tonight. He might even be the cook.
Can we get tenders, cheese sticks, and onions? Yeah, just take out the french fries and you can get more than anything else if you want. Yeah, more of the wings. More of the wings? Yeah, good choice. Thank you. It's good to see you.
See the swimming pool. See this side over here, straight ahead, is the old section. That's the smoking section, still the smoking section. This is the non-smoking over here. Now, how many of these rooms have been smoked in? Probably every damn one of them. A lot of people get a non-smoking room and smoke like hell. They don't care. Actually, a very nice swimming pool. Look at that, a cabana with a television. No refrigerator. Yeah, that's a start. Paradise pool. I think they resurfaced this pool over the winter. I know they had drained it. It looks brand new. It looks nice. Yeah, this is what the cabana looks like. You don't get 100% shade, but you get about 95%. And then there's your television. Always gotta have a television.
Gravel lot, neon sign, payday in a mason jar. Laid it down on the bar top, said tonight I'm chasing cards. Dealer knows my first name, says you're back for one more round. I tell him I just drive a tractor, but I like high stakes in a small town. I'm all in on a bad idea, betting and ran on a wild feeling. Red dress, shaky hands, heart racing faster than a ceiling fan. Roll the dice, spin that wheel, chasing something I can feel. Losing money, losing time, but I keep gambling on the line. Daddy preached about